Hey BBT community, this is Michelle with my second official trade recap, and here it goes. So I had Zoom on my watch list mostly because everybody in my household has been asked to get a Zoom account over the past week, including my 5-year-old daughter for her ballet class. So I was just kind of keeping an eye on it and had it on one of my screens. I had MU as well, but it was so choppy. So I was watching Zoom, obviously selling off in pre-market. Zoom out a little bit there. Zoom out a little bit. There you go. Selling off in the pre-market. Kind of hit a low here. I was watching level 2 really closely. Been working on really focusing on level 2 and what's going on there. So I could see that there were some bigger asks, not only in size but in price coming in. So that is what made me choose to go long at this level right here. And I had a stop loss of about 139.50 approximately. But watching level 2, it did have some bids down there, but it was not getting there. So that made me feel good that it was heading up. It kind of bounce up and then toy around with my break even for a little longer than I would have liked it to. And then it jumped up nicely, like I was hoping it would. I took a partial. I took several partials quite quickly as Nathan was shouting at me, partial, partial. So I took 3 partials, obviously, and then it started toying around with my break even. I almost added in here, but I could see that there were some bigger bids, and I wasn't entirely confident that it was going to continue its run upwards, so I did not add in. However, I did hang on to what I had left, and I partialed. Obviously, you can see every place I partialed. And there was a really big ask at 145, which I had seen way back over here. It had come so down so far that you couldn't see it anymore in the asks. Finally, I could see it in asks again, and I put my ask at 144.98, and I got my last fill, and that is my trade. So I hope you enjoyed this trade review. Thank you, and goodbye.